The 80mm telescope for adults and beginners offers excellent quality optics with a focal length of 600mm and an aperture of 80mm, which allows for a bright and clear image. This telescope is equipped with two replaceable eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, that provide 24x and 60x magnification, along with a 3x Barlow lens that triples the magnifying power, enabling clear views of the moon and other celestial bodies. The telescope comes with a phone adapter and an adjustable aluminum tripod for convenience and portability, along with a wireless remote control and carrying bag for ease of use. Setting up this telescope is easy and requires no tools, making it a great choice for beginners and novices. This telescope is backed by lifetime maintenance and excellent customer service, ensuring satisfaction and quality. The 80mm telescope for adults and beginners, manufactured by Hexium, is a popular choice in the electronics category, selling approximately 100 units per month.